By 2030, 1 in 3 Floridians will be 60 and over. Yet 4 out of 5 still skip routine dental visits. This is putting heart health, cognition, and quality of life at risk. To talk more about this and how he can help, Dr. Michael Dickerson from Aspen Dental joins us. So glad you're here, Doc. How are you?
I'm doing great, and thank you for having me.
I'm so glad we're talking about this. Just overall, I kind of, briefly described, but why is oral health so important for our senior friends?
Oral health is a really important part of the overall equation for our total well-being and health. As we age, we know there's so many challenges that we face. So having a healthy smile and having great oral health can really help us combat some of the challenges that we face as we age.
I think that, people who are in that age group that we're talking about, maybe they remember dental services of the past and they're like, I don't want anything to do with it. I don't want to go. I'm fine. Talk about new technology. How has new technology helped you help more seniors?
Thankfully, things are a little bit easier for patients than they were maybe in the older years.
Yeah.
Now even there's digital technology. So instead of a lot of like the gooey, yucky tasting impression material that we would all hate to have.
Hate that.
Now we can just scan people's mouths and get dentures or crowns or whatever that needs to be made to help patients have a better quality of life. It can all be done without all that old material. Fully digitally, it's a whole new world for patients to have access to care and to get better care, more affordable and higher quality care.
Let's talk overall. Why is Florida's dental care system critical in serving the needs of this growing population that we often talk about, especially in Florida?
Sure. Florida has one of the largest populations of seniors in the United States.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely critical that they have access to high quality care that's also affordable. We know, unfortunately, that if oral health is not a priority in a patient's overall well-being, other risks can occur, including higher incidences of cardiovascular disease, lack of proper nutrition, and unfortunately even higher risk of diabetes and cognitive decline. So without taking care of the oral health, the overall body and patient can suffer. It's not just about looking good, it's about having an opportunity to live your best life and be the best version of yourself. Having a great smile helps with social connection, helps with communication, and it's really such an important part of a life for a healthy senior.
I want to ask you this one. Do you have patients that come in and they're a little worried because they haven't been to a dentist in so many years? What do you say to those people? And maybe that's one of the reasons to kind of get them over that, initial hump and make that appointment.
Sure. We see it every day. Let's be honest. It's not really a place that a lot of people like to go. And we try to combat that and break down the barriers, whether it's maybe I'm just scared of being here, or maybe it's an affordability thing. Maybe it's an access to care. I'm working 9 to 5 and I necessarily can't get into an office that has normal hours. Or maybe it's I have a wedding coming up and I broke a tooth and I need a denture, I need something to help me. I think at Aspen we do a really great job of being able to help patients combat a myriad of things. We treat patients with total dignity and respect, and we understand that whatever got you here in life's journey, we're here to hold your hand, take good care of you, be compassionate and empathetic, and help you out. And ultimately deliver affordable, high-quality care so patients can kind of get on living their best life and make this a quick stop.
Well, I got to say, I think that was a great way to end our conversation, and we want to put up the contact information. If you want to know more about how Aspen Dental can help you, take a look. There's aspendental.com. Thanks for being here today.
It was a real pleasure. Thank you for your time.